everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing fabulous. So today I have something very exciting for all my bag lovers out there. I am posting my second Miraggio bag haul on this channel. इससे पहले मैंने जो वीडियो डाला था उसका लिंक यहाँ पर है, अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी मिल जाएगा आपको लिंक. So Miraggio bags, I think I'm a little obsessed with this brand now because I already have quite a few Miraggio bags और अब मैंने 4 और ऑर्डर कर लिए हैं Amazon से and I am really excited to unbox this. वो अलग बात है कि घर वालों ने बहुत ताने सुना दिए हैं ऑलरेडी कि रखेगी कहाँ इतने सारे बैग्स, और सच बात भी है मेरे घर में रखने की जगह नहीं बची है, बट यू कैन नेवर हैव टू मेनी बैग्स, है ना, जितने हो उतने बढ़िया हैं. सो आई ऑलरेडी नो व्हाट्स इनसाइड बट लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट टुगेदर. Look at this, guys. This is what I really love about this brand. They always pack all their handbags in separate packets and so beautifully and nicely. I am so excited. Let's quickly open them. So first up we have this beautiful Hobo shoulder bag. Let's talk about this gorgeous green color first. It's such a refreshing shade and instantly adds a pop to any outfit. I think the green is underrated for bags, but it's becoming more popular these days and I can see why. This bag has a soft and slouchy structure which gives it that effortless and relaxed look. The hobo shape is super trendy right now, but it's also functional because it has a lot of room without looking too big or bulky. Inside, there's enough space to fit all your daily essentials, your phone, wallet, makeup bag, even a small notebook. It also has an inner zip pocket so you can keep your small items secure. I would style this with a casual outfit, maybe some high-waisted jeans, a white tee and chunky sneakers. But it would also look amazing with flowy dresses and boots. This is a versatile piece that brings color without overwhelming your outfit. Next up we have this soft gathered handbag and I am obsessed with the elegant design of this one. It has this soft gathered texture that makes it look really high-end and chic. The color is neutral so it can easily match almost any outfit. But what makes it even more eye-catching is the gold chain strap. The chain is not just functional but also adds a touch of glamour. This bag is perfect for when you want something a bit more sophisticated. It's on the smallest side compared to the Hobo, so it's ideal for the brunch dates, evening outs or even a semi-formal event. You can fit the essentials like your phone, keys, some makeup and maybe a small wallet in this. It's compact but still very practical. For styling, this bag would be perfect with a sleek dress or even tailored trousers and a blouse. The gold chain elevates the look so it's easy to dress up, but it could also add sophistication to a casual outfit. Just imagine it with a blazer and skinny jeans. Oh my god, it'll look so chic. Alright, next in line is this puffer quilted crossbody bag. This one is for all my trendsetters out there. The puffer quilted texture is very on trend and gives off a cool modern vibe. It's in black so it's versatile, but the puffer detail makes it stand out. Plus it has this adjustable string strap, which means you can wear it as a crossbody or shorten it up to wear on one shoulder. Size wise it's compact but functional. इसकी ओपनिंग खाली थोड़ी सी छोटी है, बाकी अंदर तो जगह ठीक ठाक है. You can fit your essentials like your phone, keys and a small wallet. This is the kind of bag that you'd grab when you're on the go and want something lightweight and easy to carry. Styling this bag is fun because it has that edgy street style look, casual dress, chunky boots for a bit edgy twist. It's just perfect for running errands or hanging out with friends. Alright, last up we have this beautiful Miraggio Vanessa solid structured handbag. This one is a classic and has that structured professional look. It's a sleek black color, making it an absolute staple for any wardrobe because it pairs well with everything. The structured design gives it a polished look, perfect if you're going for a more put together boss lady vibe. It's a medium large size, which is great if you need to carry more than just the basics. You could easily fit a tablet, a small laptop, a water bottle, makeup and other essentials in this bag. It's the perfect work or everyday bag that can transition into a night out bag if you're going for a sophisticated look. I would recommend the styling with a blazer and a dress pants or even a power suit if you're going for that strong professional vibe. But you can also pair it with a casual dress or jeans and a leather jacket for more edgy and dressed down look. This is one of those bags that effortlessly elevates your outfit without trying too hard. And that's a wrap of my Miraggio bag haul. I hope you enjoyed watching these beautiful bags and hearing my thoughts on how to style them. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Do you prefer the structural and professional look, or you're more into the softer and casual styles? Also, let me know if there are any other brands that you want me to review or try. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and also subscribe for more of fashion and styling content. Also, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification every single time I post a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!